Yeah, today I'm going to talk about unlocking the serverless interoperability. So cycle now with a trustless ZK-rollup approach or methodology, I'm saying. So we all know that it's actually like shattered, really like shattered Web3 nation right now. It's like we got Bitcoin, Solana, everywhere. It's like isolated islands here. But not to mention like explosively emerging new chains, like actually like enhancing this kind of situation, like the fragmentation of Web3, Web3 states. So which leads to our actual mission here is actually by building the trustless combined distributed ledger with global state view as the like fundamental infrastructure, and then we try to empower the freedom creativity in Web3 areas. Because in Web3, I think the nature of that is actually just to try to release the productivity from that, and just because the emerging new chains, like everybody's actually like just separated with that, and we hope to like unite again, yeah. So how are we going to do that? The Cycle Network, this is the overview actually. Like Cycle Network uses the combined sequencer to build a combined distributed ledger, which of course like accelerating the arrival of the DApp-centric time actually. As you can see, there are actually like 3 layers here. Pretty like top one, this is unique from here. The bottom line here is about the security layer. Security layer is actually about like we directly inherit the DA from ETH. That's right now, and of course in the future we can like integrate with EigenLayer and also like the Bitcoin DAs and etc. here. And we put indexer here and ZK verify here. And another like interesting part is that we actually just directly used L1 to L2 rollup as the bridge, not as others like the bridge is like maybe just hacked or maybe attacked by like hackers' favorite things. We extend the DA layer of ETH, here to all the other chains. So we have the extended layers. So extend DA plus ZK verify ledgers on each chain. So we got the things, the whole feature like there. And then in the cycle layer here, we got a decentralized sequencer. I would say it is a combined sequencer actually, and got all the other things here. So we make it happen like this. So if people are trying to deal with the interoperabilities, actually we're facing challenges, the 4 parts. Like first one is going to be like the execution guarantee things. The problem nowadays is about like the disparity in finality time among the different blockchain systems. And number 2 would be like cross-chain communication consistency is challenging actually. And number 2, like assurance of the transactional integrity across multi-chain. So the solution here, like proposed by Cycle Network, is actually first of all is the star network topology. And the second one is the decentralized multi-chain sequencer here. So which leads us to the trustless in protocol execution guarantee with state safety, like status. So here as you can see, that's obviously the star network topology. And about the sequencer here, I'm going to talk a little bit more. Yeah. As you can see, the combined sequencer is backed by the indexer I mentioned. You can see the first block is actually like the security layer on ETH plus the extend A on Bitcoin. And then the next one, just plus extend B, and then plus EC. So that reaches to the global state view of all blockchains. And the challenge number 2 is about the low cost. Actually, we didn't like deal with the cost things like one by one or something. Instead, we propose the unified liquidity, like to allow all blockchains to do that and to support all kinds of dApps. And the challenge number 3 is about like how we are going to fix the multi-ecosystem compatibility things. Actually, because like we all know there were like various blockchains here, and we got like different smart contracts, and actually like be tackled with like different like developers or users. And the challenge, of course, also about like try to verify the rollout message, the trustability. So here's like Cycle like doing actually. Like we use the pluggable rollup verifier and to tackle with like, as you can see, like there are like actually 5 verifiers to tackle the ecology like what we want. Yeah, and results like a trustless integration with more blockchain frameworks. Okay, let's talk about the challenge 4 is about like speed. Actually, because asynchronous programming is actually, of course, the speed is kind of low actually, and users must wait for callbacks, or maybe you need like a continuous like just monitor the results. Of course, this kind of situation will disrupt the workflow, and of course, this is going to like degrade the user experience. So for Cycle, we use the in-protocol multi-chain deposit when users try to like input your money or like data there. And for output, it's actually we use the Omni ZK-rollup verifier to shorten the withdrawal time across all networks. That results like from 7 days, of course that's OP, and 30 minutes to just 2 minutes. Here, let's move to a first case study. It's about like full chain account. Actually, it's take only 1 week or something, and we reached I think the number now is like bombing to almost like 200K like cross mint already. Like it's the Omni, like we call it a piggy bank box or something. It's kind of like Omni like NFT like for campaign, and it's actually like shows like Cycle Network's cross-chain assets management and minting like function here. Yeah. And case number 2 is about the unified liquidity faucet. Like with the cooperation with the number 1 trading volume in APAC area, it's called LTP, and we like Cycle use the unified liquidity pool to help, plus the TCCP of course, like to support all kinds of like ecosystem here. And let's move to the number 3 case. It's about omni-chain trading bot. Because before it's the BTC bot is only focusing on the BRC20s. They got auto sniper, and you can do like flash mint, auto trading, and you can follow the smart money, and even do the copy trading, things like that. And now we help them to extend all the other chains, like try to monitor all the things. Yeah. The last one, but yeah, this one is like we're trying to bring back the RWA parts, because more and more like assets from the real world. They're trying to say, hey, well, how about we just maybe build up some like miners or something, or maybe a neo chain or something, but it's still like we don't like lake up those kind of like farmers or maybe monies. We just lake up more like integrated with all kinds of like functions or DApps. That's why we say like I think like in the follow maybe 4 years or from now on, actually it's like DApp centric areas. It's not like chain centric areas right now. Yeah. Also, like together with them, we build up the all-chain asset pipeline to help them to build up the BID. Actually, it's like a really simple name. It's like a blockchain ID, like a black ID, to help them to onboard more like Web2 users. Yeah, of course we got like more cases, and of course like the way to maybe combine with AI and maybe mystery boxes so far. And for the go-to-market strategy, I'm just quickly go through that because it's more about like interoperability. So the users here we separate into like 3 parts. The first one will be like the developers, as I mentioned. We can help them to reach all the chains, right? And the second one is about like the general users. Like they need to like to feel that. I mean like just like the piggy bank to help you guys to fund your maybe even some like shit coins. I mean on everywhere or something. That's the things. To upgrade to the super coin. And the third one treated like since merging like new chains, we got like different like ecosystem, like sorry I forgot the guy like showed twice like to top of the chain, and he said like because everybody's saying, hey, our chain is very good, it's just come to build here some things. We will say, okay, no matter what, it just help the like DApps like to build up really good, and then just choose individually by yourself. Yep. That's the thing. And for the ecosystem, the partners, we're already like EVM compatible and about to like launch the BTC ecosystem this week, and more yeah, on the way, yeah. And for partners, of course, we got like LTP, Token Pocket, and Neobit from BTC systems, and arbiters from the tools and DeFi areas. Okay, about the founding team here, actually we got like team from two sides. Like one is from the Singapore areas, like we got two ladies. Actually, one is really focused on the tech parts, like used to be the tech lead from Baidu and the Kobo chain, and yeah, got like plenty patents on that, and another one's like pretty focused on the operation and marketing. Used to have some like proven work already. For me, I was studying about the cryptography, like, yeah, since the first halving. So, yeah, and also we got like Berkeley PhDs, like focused on the security and ZK, and also like business things. Yeah. About the comparison, I probably just skip it. Yeah, because it's a little bit offensive, like today maybe, but. Yeah, I just quick. Okay, yeah, I'll just get back in the problem. Yeah, because actually, like, Cycle is not really like, others, like, they're doing the omni-chain or the things. Yeah, I see somebody just like taking photos. Don't send it to Brian, because I play basketball with him, man. Okay, yeah, okay. Here's about the roadmap, actually. Like, what we did is actually from like 2023, and we already launched the testnet, and right now, we are like about to support, like I said, support the Bitcoin ecosystem, and like really in the future, like we're going to support more NVM system, and hopefully we're going to like launch our like mainnet in Q3, and yeah, we're going to see more maybe about the decentralized sequencers, or maybe the way to make it like more decentralized when we start with all kinds of like frameworks. Yeah, feel free to share. Yeah, thank you guys.